In this video, we're going to look at how you can use the text function to turn a date into a text day value so you can see which day the date actually refers to. So we've got a list of dates here from February 2020, the 1st through to the 7th. And in this cell here, if we just write in equals text tab, then we select the cell A2 and then comma, do a quotation mark and then put DDD, close off the quotation mark, hit enter, we get SAT there for Saturday. And if we just fill those down, we get all of the days populated in these cells which these dates refer to. Now, if you prefer, you can have this written out as the full word, and all you have to do is change DDD to DDDD, so 4, and then hit enter, we get Saturday, fill those out, and then you have it written as a full word. You can also use MMM to put the month, so hit enter there, and we get Feb. Again, you can fill that down. And then likewise, if you add one more, so you have 4 M's, hit enter, you get the full word. So we have February written out there. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.